Welcome to Unique Views YouTube channel. We have been bringing new motivational video. Today's video is going to be an important for you, those who are watching at this moment. In this episode, I am talking about improving focus. Especially, I will share an idea of how to improve focus by following the rules of the law of attraction. Please watch this video from start to finish and don't miss to subscribe this channel if you are new to my channel. We will be bringing such an important video for you. I am very grateful to the book Law of Attraction, namely 101 Powerful Ways to Use the Law of Attraction, written by Dr. Steph G. Jones and Frank Mangano for the reference materials for this video. Now, I start today's subject matter, how to improve focus. It might be very interesting and important topic as everyone needs to improve focus for their every success. Improve focus. Actually, what does improve focus mean? Focus is one of the most important factors. So, we need to know what is focus and how it works in our life. This is simply for the fact that we attract more of whatever we focus on. Your focus and the amount of it is what determines how much control you have over the things you want in life. If so, questions arise in our mind. What to do to improve focus? Focus must be done in a positive way in order to enable the right kind of change in your life. If you concentrate your focus in a negative way, you will find yourself falling deeper into a trap of negative situation and experience. If you catch yourself focusing on how bad something is, immediately switch your brain into a different mode of thinking. For example, if you are feeling overwhelmed by the amount of work you are doing towards a goal, instead focus on how great it is to be working towards your goal and think of each task as a special pieces of the puzzle. Find excitement and a feeling of empowerment as you accomplish work, and if you must break large projects down into mini tasks and celebrate after each completed milestone. Now, I am giving some important tips for practicing affirmation to improve your focus. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly. I am always able to keep my focus on my goals and keep moving forward. When I do something, I put all of my focus into it. Focusing comes naturally to me. When I do something, I become fully absorbed in it. Focusing on things makes me feel really productive and happy. Now, let's talk on the visualization technique for improving your focus. This visualization technique should be used before you do something that you will need to focus on. Find a place to be alone for a few minutes. If you must use a bathroom or your car to get away, close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Now picture your ears opening to hearing every sound. Imagine that you just removed earplugs and now you can hear anything. Next, think about your mind. Imagine that it has a door and that you have just opened it. Out of the door comes a beautiful light that surrounds everything you see. This represents your mind being open. The final step is to visualize your heart. It has a door, and when you open it, you free another light full of dazzling colors and shapes. This represents your heart being open. Now open your eyes and focus on how clearly you can see. With your eyes, with your ears, eyes, heart, and mind open, you are now able to focus on anything you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some important ideas for improving your focus. It will definitely help you get success as it is an indispensable element that we must have. Thank you.